The world of dental 3D printing has become much less opaque as manufacturers have learned what clinicians need. However, one sticking point still persists today that can create a lot of confusion: the difference between XY resolution and accuracy. To understand what these terms mean and to draw out the differences between them, we first need to know something about the fundamentals of stereolithographic 3D printing. Desktop 3D printing is an additive process, so called because it creates solid objects by selectively solidifying thousands of layers that are built up on top of one another. The height of each of these layers is given in a measurement value known as the z-axis of the print. In dental 3D printing, the z-axis value typically varies between 25 and 100 microns. But to understand the full picture, we need to add in the x and y axis. This is a single print layer on the z-axis. This visual contains a set of instructions for each of your printer's individual DLP pixels, on or off. The on pixels are highlighted in gray. This is the area that the projector will cure on that given layer. The off pixels are black. This area will not be cured. The physical size of each of your printer's pixels is its XY resolution. The XY resolution is fixed and cannot be adjusted. Smaller pixel sizes will yield the ability to render extremely fine detail with greater accuracy, since the printer can approximate more complex surfaces with greater granularity. When you look at a completed model with the naked eye, you likely have a difficult time distinguishing the artifacts of these physical squares in your printed objects. This is because most printers designed for dentistry feature an XY resolution of just 100 microns or less, which isn't visible to the naked eye. A further reduction in the pixel size allows it to create even finer detailed prints with incredibly tight margins. Very small details of this nature tend to be critical for long-term appliances that require exemplary fit or incredibly smooth surface finish. But a lower XY value does not necessarily mean that a 3D printer is more accurate for all applications. Stay tuned for our next video to learn how 3D printer accuracy is measured and how that measurement does not necessarily correlate to XY resolution.